Happy holidays, guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is day 2 of my series, 25 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him. And today we're talking all about the big red boots from Mischief. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and hitting the bell because we're doing 25 days of this. Now I know a lot of you all are probably really surprised about this gift, but believe it or not, even though the trend started in February, these boots are still pretty much Mischief's #1 selling, including all of its variants. That's like the yellow dock versions and everything else. So that's why these are still a huge hit for those who are trying to be fashionable and wanting something a little weird, a little different. So we're going to take a look at them, try them on. These are a great gift. Not always going to be usable, but they're a good gift. And let me say up front that these are some heavy boots. I mean, they are rubber. This box is huge, so be prepared to have a big box under the tree if you decide to get these for your guy. But let's open them up, take a look. These are the second round generation. After the first sellout, I was able to get it the second time around. Now Mischief has all of the shoes and all of the sizes on their website just for the holidays, for those who are trying to jump on the trend a little later now. This box is so big. So let's take a look at what they look like on the inside before I even take them out. These are the big red boots from Mischief. Just look at how huge they are. Now this is 100% a fashion trend that not everyone is about, but if you have a fashion forward guy in your life, these are something to think about. This is good for just to kill a quick outfit, to just kind of have a statement piece. You guys know I am all about the statement pieces. Rather it's a backpack, it's your shoes, it's the coat you're wearing, or the jewelry. But you should always have a good statement piece, and this is it right here. Now, I'm a sucker for a good box. That's why these will always stay in their box. Plus, let's be honest, there's not a lot of places that you could keep shoes this big. They do have some weight on them, but it definitely feels rubber. It's not too heavy in your hands. Like, you can definitely tell that they're made of rubber. And I feel like most of the weight is really coming from like the sole area in these, but I don't think they'd be too bad. I will say, guys, there are a lot of knockoffs of these. So you all need to be careful if you're buying secondhand. If you're deciding not to buy off the Mischief website, you need to make sure yours are authentic. And one of the things that you can look at is actually has Mischief at the bottom. Everything that's in here is all the stats, so you really want to make sure that you're getting an authentic pair because these are by themselves $350. Now, getting your feet inside of these are not hard at all. If you do find yourself having like wider feet, these are not the shoes for the guy. This isn't it. But if you tend to have some narrow feet and you have some narrow-ish calves, these will work fine. I will say that I do have some skinny calves, which gives a lot of room at the top, as you can already see. I'm only interested in wearing these when I'm wearing my sweatsuits and things like that because I can stuff those down in there, kind of giving it a better look. So let's check these out. This is what they look like when you just have them on with some jeans. Yes, my legs are not the best in these, but that's how I know what outfits that I do want to wear with these. If you know you have a fashion forward guy in your life, these are the way to go. There's something unique, there's something different. I honestly like them. I think they give a completely different look to anything that you wear, but if you accessorize it and outfit it perfectly, these boots are amazing to have on. Yeah, you could be Astro Boy in it out a little bit, but they look so dope. Now, take a look at how they look just in this simple outfit. Yes, I know for a fact that like not everyone will wear it like this, but honestly I would because it does technically match. I know my legs are pretty skinny in them, but I'm going to be wearing them with either baggy clothes or I'm going to be wearing them with a sweatsuit. So let me just show you how I would outfit this and then we can go from there. This is how I would outfit this. Yes, I know I'm rocking a couple tones of red, but guys, monochromatic is in. It's always going to be in and it's going to always look good. But this is how I would outfit it. The sweatsuit is really helping with the room that I have inside the boots, and it's just a good looking outfit. This is how you rock a pair of the big red boots. If you don't have that confidence, that swagger, and that keen eye for fashion, it's not gonna work. But I know most of your guys got all of the above and can handle these boots. These would be the perfect gift for any guy who is trendy, fashionable, and confident. These are it, guys. The big red boots aren't going anywhere, and if anything, they're just making more and more variants that are being even more popular than the last. I even feel like that it's easy to walk in. It's not bad at all. The crinkles that you get when you walk, because they're rubber, bounces right back. For me, I think it's very easy to get them on and off with no problems at all, guys. I think these are great Christmas gifts that any guy would be happy to get. So I want to know what you all think. Would your guys wear these? But that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you all liked day 2. I know I brought something that no one was probably thinking that I'd be bringing up for these 25 days of Christmas, but I definitely wanted to. We'll be showing outfits with these very soon so that you guys can see other ways for me to accessorize these, for me to outfit these, and everything else. So if you guys love this video, please make sure that you guys are giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed and hitting that bell because I'm not missing a day. We're in this together. Day 2 done. We have 23 days to go before Christmas, and this series is already so much fun for me. I truly hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am, honestly. But until next time, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity.